Are you sick and tired of Ethereum gas fees? Do you want to buy a low-cost NFT, but the Ethereum gas fees are higher than the NFT itself? This is not a problem anymore because Immutable X is here. Immutable X is the first layer 2 protocol for Ethereum that gives NFT users zero gas fees, instant rate confirmation, and huge scalability. Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, you will see a fast, safe, and easy way to buy your first NFT on Immutable X. First step, you go to immutable.com. I will leave the link in the description. Then you go to Marketplace. Before you start buying your first NFT, you have to connect your wallet. Here in the right corner, you have Connect Wallet. You have to use MetaMask. If you don't know how to install your Ethereum wallet MetaMask for the first time, then watch this video. Connect with MetaMask. Next, connect. Okay, and connect wallet. Next. Now you have to sign in and sign again. I agree, setup, and sign again. Finish. Wallet connected. Now you can see that your wallet is connected. In order to have some funds on Immutable X, you have to go to inventory and deposit. You can deposit ETH, GODS, EMX, and USDC. I will deposit some ETH. Enter the amount that you want to deposit. 0.1. Continue. You have to sign and confirm. Now you just have to sign the transaction and confirm. Now your deposit is in progress. Great, confirm transaction. Deposit is on the way. Now that your wallet is connected and you have some funds, you can buy your first NFT. Let's do it together. I will choose GODS Unchained. It's a play to earn game. I will buy one. I will sort it from low to high. Select it and buy now. And confirm. Sign. Purchase complete. This is how you can buy your first NFT with zero fees on Immutable X. Do you have any questions? Please let me know in the comments. I will be happy to answer. If you want to know how to create and sell your own NFT collection, then watch this video here. Don't forget that I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before you buy your first NFT. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you all in my next video. Bye!